up my mind and my heart along with that, to live not for myself, but yet forgot somebody said. Do you know what you are getting yourself into?
Hi, hello guys! Good evening! Welcome back to my channel. EBL, OG Canarias, ang inyong pasyonistang vlogger. Kung ikaw ay bago sa aking channel, ikaw ay mag-subscribe. Nandiyan sa baba subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell. So guys, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So, ngayon lang po ulit ako makakapag-react ng video. Actually, ito po ay request ng isa sa ating mga subscribers. Ang ating pong i-react ngayong gabi is yung video coverage ni Miss Aina Abdul. Yes. Ang title po is I Surrender. So, let's watch guys. Let's watch this video.
There's so much life haven't lived to live, and this fire's burning.
Hi, hello guys. Yung una palang pasok ni Aina, my God, napakalinis ng pagkakanta niya. As in, firm ng boses niya. Yung reception ng boses niya, napaka-firm guys. As in, grabe. Let's continue watching guys.
Still, when I watch you look at me, I think I could find the to stand for every dream and forsake.
At yung mellow, yung mellow ng music niya, guys. As in, para ka talagang idinuduyan, guys. Ang ganda, talagang yung blending ng kanyang boses ay napaka-firm, guys. Let's continue watching, guys.
Solid ground and give up this fear within of what would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you can feel it too. We'll make it through 1,000 dreams. I still believe I make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go.
I'll never let go. Grabe, ang linis talaga ng kanyang boses.
I surrender. I know I can't survive another night away from you. You're the reason I go on, and now I need to live the truth right now.
Actually guys, nababother lang ako dun sa microphone ni Aina. Yung pinaka-cover ng microphone niya sobrang laki guys. Hindi ko talaga makita yung yung mukha ni Aina. Anyway, let's continue watching guys.
Now, there's no better time. From this fear I will break free, and I live again with love. I know they can't take that away from me, and there we'll see.
Guys, yung range ng boses ni Aina as in napakalaki talaga, napaka-wide. Napaka-wide ng boses ng ni Aina, grabe. Hindi ko alam kung may hinga pa siya, mga ka-vloggers. Ilang seconds yun, ang haba, walang patid. Grabe, talagang sustain na sustain ni Aina, ha? May gas siya. Oh my God! Ang hirap nun, ha? Nice. Very nice. Thank you. Back to my channel, guys. So, reaction time na tayo mga ka-vloggers. So, I would like to thank kay Mel na PM sa akin, na nag-request na i-react ko itong kay Aina Abdul, guys. So, first and foremost, maganda yung boses ni Aina Abdul. As in, yung unang pasok pa lang nung music, yung blend ng kanyang boses, yung reception ng kanyang boses is napaka-firm talaga. As in, sobrang napakalinis, guys. So, yun. Aside from that, yung technique na ginagawa niya is kakaiba. As a singer kasi, napaka-importante kasi na meron kang technique. Going high notes and low notes, yun ang napakahalaga, guys. At saka, ang isa kong puri kay Aina is hindi siya copycat dun sa original na kumanta ng I Surrender. Meron siyang kanyang sariling technique at hindi niya akinapi yung original ng pagkakanta ng I Surrender, guys. Aside from that, guys, yung range ng boses ni Aina is napaka-wide. Sobrang laki, sobrang lawak, as in. Saka may mga guts din siyang ginagawa, guys. So, importante kasi sa mga singer yon, mga ka-vloggers. And also, when she opened her mouth, talagang yung lawak ng boses andun talaga. As in, walang patid yung kanina siguro mga 9 seconds yun, na walang patid pero na-sustain niya yung nota, as in dire-diretso talaga, as in. At saka ang nabother lang talaga ako dun, mga ka-vloggers, is yung microphone niya. Sobrang laki kasi ng cover niya. Anyway, kasi hindi ko talaga makita yung mukha niya talaga. Although she's a Muslim, but I respect. Ang ganda-ganda ng boses talaga ng bata. Actually, first time ko lang siyang i-react. Kung hindi ko lang talaga nakita kanina, nag-pass by kasi ako dun sa account ko, nag-check out ako. Nakita ko lang yung request na yan. So guys, I hope you liked my video, guys. So once again, guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hanggang sa muli, guys. Bye bye. See ya.